10.
His tea, you see.
Audio Jungle.
So the piggies ran and hid inside their houses three. One in bricks and one in straw, and the third inside the sticks, you see.
Then the big bad wolf went blow, blow, blow outside the houses three. And two fell down upon the ground, 'cause they weren't strong enough, you see.
Audio Jungle.
The three little pigs went oink, oink, oink in just one house, all three.
Audio Jungle.
The one of bricks, 'cause the straw and sticks were blown away by the wolf, you see.
And the big bad wolf went puff them
Audio
pee.
Jungle.
But the house of bricks was firm and fixed, so the pigs were safe and free, you see. And the wolf could have no tea, you see.
No, the wolf could have
Audio
no
Jungle.
tea. No, the wolf could have no tea, you see. No, the wolf could have no tea.
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played two. He played knick-knack on my shoe. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three. He played knick-knack on my knee. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four. He played.
There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. I'm lonely, okay. Hi, my friend. Hi, my friend.
Audio Jungle.
I'm so glad you're here, and I'm here for you. Can you say love? Can you say love too?
Hot cross buns,
Audio
hot
Jungle.
cross buns. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns. 2 a penny, hot cross buns. If you have no daughters, give them to your sons. 1 a penny, 2 a penny, hot cross buns.
Audio Jungle.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.